Hey guys, my name is Alex Corre. I'm an outdoor DP since almost 10 years now. And today I want to talk with you about color grading. A lot of people ask me on Instagram, what software do I use for color grading, which plugin, which lots. Just a few weeks ago, the team at dehancer contacted me by email and wanted me to try their plugin. This video is not paid at all by dehancer. They just gave me the opportunity to try the plugin, but I really enjoy it and I wanted to share with you what I really like about this plugin. So let's dive in and let's jump on my computer screen. So once you drop the dehancer effect on your footage or on an adjustment layer on top, the first thing you need to do is to select which camera you use. After that, you can select the film print emulation that you want. For this little reel, I wanted something in black and white because sometimes underwater the colors are very different from a shot to another, especially if they are shot in different lake and different area. So and I found that black and white sometimes underwater brings more contrast and it is more pleasant, especially in a lake. Visibility is not always good. So once you select it, you can choose the film grain you want to add. I really like to use 16 or 35 millimeters, and I also found that the grain is very realistic and very nice. It's not just an overlay added on top of footage. It is very realistic and I like it. After that, you have a lot of other things you can do. Right in the dehancer plugin, you have access to elation, bloom, film damage, and a bunch of other things. In this reel, I didn't play with those because underwater I didn't need it. It wasn't the vibe I was looking for. But I played with the contrast boost a lot, so you can bring more contrast to your image very easily. And it's also a good way to match the contrast from different shots. You can also play with the black point and white point, which is a little bit like highlights and shadows of your image. So once you've done it on one shot, you can copy paste the dehancer effect and you paste it on the other shots and just adjust the contrast boost, the white and black point, and you'll be pretty much all set. You can also play with the Lumetri color panel after that. You can still change some setting in there if you like it, if you need it. So now here's the reel fully edited. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little video, and don't forget to subscribe, to like the video. It helps a ton, and I'll see you in the next one.